will fly again. I need another landing gear, darn it. Let go. Yeah, just let
He's like, knife edge.
Damn it, it's gonna crash.
Right. He said knife edge.
Yeah.
Damn. Steve's going to get your other wing too.
Yeah, I figured.
You saw where it landed.
All I heard was a crunch, crunch, crunch. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna follow the piece that isn't falling.
The bigger of the pieces.
And I'm like, hey, I still have it. By the way, one rudder servo is enough. I have the 9152 Futaba rudder servo. And that was plenty. Of course, the airplane was lighter. All right, Steve.
Action.
Hey, I found this, I was driving by and it blew and almost hit my car. I was wondering if it belongs to anybody over here?
Yeah, hey, that's my wing.
Well, I'm glad I could return it to you, huh?
It's a new easy detachment system that I have now for putting the wing on. We just open the flap and put the wing on.
I got some duct tape.
And we're good to go. When you're ready to leave, you just grab the wing and pull off.
Wow, that's a new design.
Yeah, a little duct tape. Never know a difference. Maybe I'm just flying them too hard. Nah,